keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
Guys, welcome back to another Let's Go JA tours, and today we'll be cruising down one of Kingston's most iconic roads, and that is the Kingston Spring Road. We'll be starting from the Manor Park area and we'll head all the way down into Halfway Tree. During our journey, you can look out to see the Kingston Spring Tax Office. We'll see the Immaculate High School. We'll see new developments and new business and shopping areas on the Kingston Spring area. So, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So on our left hand side, we can see the Manor Park Plaza. There you find banks, True Value, supermarkets. There's a pharmacy there. What else is there? There's restaurants, KFC, Burger King. And there's two parts. So we pass the first entrance and then the second entrance is right here. So on our left is Olivia Road, and that too can take you down into Shortwood and also into Norfolk. In recent years, Kingston Spring Road underwent a major expansion to fix the traffic issues that were taking place. Remember, it was a single lane before. Now it's a dual lane road. So the Jamaican government, it invested approximately 2.4 billion Jamaican dollars under the major infrastructure development program to widen and enhance the road. So on our right is the Manor Center that houses Killarney Mart, Popeyes, as well as some other establishments. Little Caesars is also there as well. So the turning on our right, that will take you into the Kingston Spring Police Station as well as Cassava Peace. So to our left is the Kingston Spring golf course, as well as a few restaurants, Pepper Time, and we'll see Immaculate Conception High School there, as well as the Kingston Spring Tax Office and the post office is right on the right hand side. The Super Value Shopping Plaza is on our left here. Did you know that the Kingston Spring was named or referenced in several songs starting from the 1970s in Jamaican music? So on our left hand side is the Scotia Bank, as well as on your right you see this new building, Comtech. Actually don't know what is going to be there, but it's a new building that has been built. Next is it's NCB Commercial Bank on our left hand side here as well. As we head further down, further down on Content Spring Road, heading into what would popularly known as Mayor Brown's Corner, you will see this building on our right hand side where fish bones used to be, or white bones used to be, sorry. This building is the new Jetour storefront or showroom, which is on our right hand side there. And Jetour, for those, is a Chinese car dealership that is now popular in Jamaica. A lot of new car dealerships are here in Jamaica. New Chinese cars are here in Jamaica, and Jetour is one of those popular ones that is taking the country by storm. So a very popular home store is right here on our left hand side, which is Active Home Traders. If you want anything regarding home, it's get quality items at an affordable cost. To our right is Princeville. It's a popular site for a lot of persons go there to do their nails and hairs and stuff like that. To our left is Home and Things, which is also another home cosmetic or did I say home renovation center. So if you want things to renovate your homes, sinks, tiles, so forth, you can go there. So on your right, you will see the Dunrobin Road, which will take you all the way to Washington Boulevard and then down to Mandela, which will take you over to Spanish Town and the ferry area and all those areas. So it's that right turn right there. on your left hand side, that is the West Kings House Road. That will take you up to Waterloo, as well as the Canadian Embassy, and as well as Fontana. And you know, Fontana is a very popular pharmacy, drugstore, that is now the sole, I would say, seller of Fenty, which is very popular makeup brand by Rihanna. So on your left is King's Plaza, and then to your right is a dealership. This is actually the repossessed location for NTB. So if cars are repossessed by NTB, you can actually go there and find cars that they are selling. So in your distance to your left hand side, I'm not sure if you can see it, is this tall building that's been built, and this is that when it's completed, is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. It's going to be taller than Pegasus, which is currently the tallest building. So on your left, 7th Avenue Plaza. As you can see, the building which I'm talking about there is in the background. You have Courts Mega Store using half a tree, and as you can see, it's still being built. We have Wendy's, and this is the shopping plaza, and this is the shopping or the store Lifeline here in Half a Tree. This is where all the popular stores are. Not tax office. Pika, which is on our right hand side, coming up shortly, and we have Starbucks, Wendy's, all the popular restaurants and fast food chains are here, as well as the first ever Church's Chicken, which is on our left hand side. So that's Pika right there, and then you'll see Church's Chicken that is coming here in Jamaica. So they're going to try to give KFC and Popeyes a run for their money. As you know, KFC is the most popular selling fast food establishment in Jamaica. You can put two KFCs beside each other and they are going to be packed. And that is Springs Plaza here on our right hand side here. You can see the Pavilion store as well on your right hand side here. Let me see about Pavilion. Pavilion is no longer there. I remember when I was growing up as a youth, it was very popular. It's a very popular mall, but a lot of better malls are here now, and they need to do some real investment to fix the Pavilion Mall. To our left hand side, I think that is Premier Plaza, not Premier Plaza. I don't know what the name of that plaza is actually, to be honest. Yeah. Then to our right, you can see the transport center, and then further as we go down, you will see the Mandela Park on our left hand side. as we approach halfway through, we have traversed a road rich in history, culture, and development. Thanks for joining us as we journey down Constant Spring Road. If you enjoyed the drive, then don't forget to like or comment for more Jamaican road tours. Until next time, be safe, and I see you again on another Let's Go JA Tours.